Luke over here at Phillips Chevrolet. Beautiful day, and we're checking out a really nice 2017 Corvette Stingray. And one of the things I wanted to show you is the different drive modes that it has, which will change the way either it conserves fuel, or it's going to be a little sportier, a little more aggressive, tighter suspension, stuff like that. So you got 4 different drive modes on the 17 Corvette. So the everyday driver, you got this mode selector right down here, where you can change the drive mode. So when you're in everyday driving, you're going to have it in touring mode. All right, so touring mode is going to be everyday driving. It kind of equally balances out everything: normal suspension, normal reaction, you know, with the acceleration. You can turn left and you can go into eco mode. So eco mode is generally going to be more in the 4-cylinder mode, because the 8-cylinder will shut down from 8 to 4 when you don't need that extra power. So you're going to be a little more fuel efficient in that mode. Going left again, weather mode. If all of a sudden your rain hits or something like that, it's going to work more with the traction control on that, balance out the rear wheels, which one's getting power and stuff. And we're going to go right, eco mode, past eco, touring mode. Sport modes now is going to stiffen the suspension. It's going to be a little more aggressive on the throttle and like that. It's a little more sporty feel if you want to get that feel. And then of course, if you're ever going on the track, it's going to stiffen the suspension a lot more and put it in track mode. So that's like going to the Autobahn or something like that. Just wanted to show you a couple of the modes on that. Keep watching our videos at Phillips Chevy, and you'll see me soon.